Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Abbott iSTAT CG4 Plus cartridge. This is basically used in the iSTAT mission. You can see the reference part number here. This is the 25 test kit pack, and this particular CG4 Plus cartridge part number is 03P85-25, and you can see the manufacturing date. And also the expiry date is also given. You can see, I'll just show you around the box. If you can see the iSTAT CG4 Plus cartridge, you can see the different parameters like pH of blood, and you can see the partial carbon dioxide, partial oxygen, partial pressure of carbon dioxide and partial pressure of oxygen, and you can see lactate and bicarbonate, and you can also see total carbon dioxide and base excess, and also the oxygen saturation level is also can be tested using this cartridge. You can see the different parameters here actually. So I'll just show it on the box. You can see the manufacturing location, Abbott point of care US, the CIVD certified. Let's see this here. Here I show the manufacturing date on the top. Here you can see the lot number, the expiry date. Bottom you can see. Okay, I'm just going to open this for you. This can be stored in the room temperature. So this is the CG4 Plus cartridge box. This is a 25 test kit box. Simply we just have only the cartridges inside each of these boxes. Let me do for you. CG4. Other side, I'll keep it here. You can see it says iSTAT CG4 Plus. Different parameters are here. You can see the lot number is given and the expiry date is also given on one side. On the other side, if you can see, storage conditions, manufacturing location is given. So this is how the total kit looks like. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Abbott iSTAT CG4 Plus cartridge, which is used for checking the different parameters, the 8 parameters listed here, and this is the reference part number for this particular kit. And in this is a 25 test kit pack and CIVD certified product, and you have 25 test kits, and this is how the kits pack, the individual cartridge pack looks like. Thank you.